talk in English. Maybe the way for him to learn is watch some YouTube videos. And kids are really good at learning if they're very exposed to it. And if you talk to them,
Yes.
never baby talk them or speak to them in Tagalog. Because eventually they learn it in school.
Ang challenges is that minsan ako yung mahirapang pag-usap sa akin. Hindi na sila yung mahirap. Mahirapang mag-pag-usap sa akin. So, yun yung
English yung ano. Yes, so hard. Hindi, wala naman ako anak, pero yung mga pamangkin ko, wala naman ako face na challenges. So, wala ka talaga makukuha sa Madali lang naman turuan sila ng English kasi meron na tayong internet ngayon, may Google na. So, hindi na ganun kadali. So, pag nahirapan kayo, wag yung turuan mag-English. Nasa Pilipinas lang.
Thank you.
She doesn't focus, and then all she wants is play, and then we don't get a chance to teach her well, and then, what else? Tulungan mo ko. Yeah, she don't listen, and she crying, all she want, play, so that's it.
Okay.
Ayun na, tapos na ako.
Okay.